Yeah, una clap, una clap. No. No direction from anybody. But that's the see. This game is not fair. Lord, Lisa, will start from back. That's the see. Belong to a family, which is called Super Young, reaching out to the lost kids, everywhere in the hangout. It doesn't matter what the case might be. We are here to give a helping hand. Practicing what Jesus says. Let the children come to me. Oh, 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 we are made for this. Oh, 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 oh. No, it's not a lot of stuff on ourselves. Oh, 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 oh. We are made. This is the place we are meant to be. This is the place we are meant to be. This is the place we are meant to be. This is the place we are meant to be. Oh, I wanna be with young life. Oh, I wanna be with young life. This is the place we are made. One power is about to cook. It's pepper soup.
Pepper soup.
She's cooking pepper soup.
Pepper the soup.
So guys, she's slicing the onion. Stay tuned. It's one about Sisian.
Baby.
If I'm not get it. So guys, stay tuned. Pepper soup. I told you to cook one.
How about the soup?
I guess you have to buy two. I know you want to cook it. So your soup sweet.
My
The
soup is sweet. It's sweet.
I can taste the pepper soup. Look divine here. Hello.
Hello guys.
So look at the pepper soup here.
Pepper soup so sweet. For that eat some.
What over?
I don't come and the soup.
No, wait, so you can put for me.
Oh, you know inside the pot I put for you.
No, let it. So guys, I'll be the first person to taste this soup. I'm putting it for me on top of my rice. Look on that. The ingredients there. Oh yes.
Give
Give me my baby. Sorry for me. Guys,
this pepper soup.
wait me.
I said you didn't put it on
What is
Massive.
Yeah?
Hello guys, good evening. We are having a wonderful time. Look at Divine. Yes, Cindy, let her. Cindy, say hello.
Hello guys.
So I don't cook. I was cook.
Hello guys.
I was cook the pepper soup. Divine is here.
Look at the
Having
rice.
fresh time. Put my rice down. They don't come to here for me. Guys, I'm the first person to eat this pepper soup. I'm gonna taste it. Let's eat, guys.
Just taste it. Can you pray? Pray.
Guys, this is real pepper soup. I'm going to cook Foofoo on it. But guys, can you imagine? Since morning I've not eaten anything. I just lost appetite. So that's how I am. That is why I'm dried guy. The soup is sweet.
Tomorrow I'm gonna go this way. This last night.
Princess is making to cook the fufu, the dry cassava. Guys, are you sick? This is what we prepare for sick people. Develop it. I'm not gonna give you, so just stay away from my rice. The rice is not even enough for me. Guys, this is egg and fish. Fresh cool. No fun, no fun. Didi, say hello, aunties and uncles. The man is having a wonderful time. Let's eat. You want to eat? Where want to eat? Hawa is cooking too. For the pepper soup. How good was that? Color with it.
You have that pieces. Tomato don't in a sitter. You never tell her in a sitter. They say me tell her so they can. Me tell her so they can put me to pastor. I see na sitter. Wait, Jan. Wait, I can't go say pastor. If you need it, I see na sitter. Come on, la pass. You know, they never advise posting.
Come
Who say come for bad? The pastor, now you know. You need to see those things. Yes.
Now I got her yesterday.
So me tell you know your family.
Guys, it's about Foofoo is ready.
Auntie Angela, and that time, Mama. Oh,
Auntie baby.
Auntie baby, no be time.
I wanna go home. Mary darling. Mary darling. Solomon. Now look at this.
Isaac.
They're not dancing, eh? Isaac. Yeah, they don't know. Go for it, don't take you.
No, no, come on, dear. Idu, no flower. How are you teacher now?
Somebody still around at 9. This we said. And now you know I'm making no car.
I say they make like saying us.
All they say is no now.
Hawa and Bumper was shaping the food. But then for there, no, for the pin on the table. Today, Hawa is slicing pumpkin.
How did they call it in English? I mean, I don't forget about TikTok now. I don't do TikTok, I don't do nothing.
Pumpkin.
Guys, how do you call this skin in English? We can't do that. I have a sample again. How do you call it? David, never go like this. As for us, we call it punky. Punky na punky, punky never left.
Mommy, me, I'm not open. I don't see message come. I don't see message come.
The data are they on?
Eh?
The data are they on?
Yeah. Eh, the bottom. You all, I don't see no TikTok account set for you. Guys, funky
What grace is in the start?
seed.
Where I say for plants and coffee. Because you understand it. I need a good teacher.
Guys, today I'm the one that's going to process this. I'm the one